Guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Karina. In today's video, I'm gonna be bringing you this beat right here. This was super fun for me to film. I didn't realize how much I missed doing makeup and how much I missed filming. For those of you who don't know, I've had my YouTube channel since YouTube was even like this huge thing, like it had pretty much just started. I used to film makeup tutorials back in the day when I would film, and in July when I started uploading again, I didn't think I was gonna do beauty stuff because the last 3 uploads that I have are like super chill vlogs of like my kids and my family and stuff. And I am still gonna film vlogs and stuff, but I also want to bring you guys makeup tutorials. I actually thought about recreating some of the old looks that I still have on this channel, because like I haven't done color in a super long time. I actually haven't done the full beat in a really long time. So yeah, I had tons of fun filming this. This video will be a voiceover, you guys, just because my kids have been running around the entire house and like yelling and crying and screaming and everything. So I just didn't think it was gonna, like, I kept getting interrupted. So this will be a voiceover. I'm hoping that my next video, my next tutorial won't be, although I don't know, you guys, like I'm super nervous. My anxiety is through the roof. I've filmed this intro like 20 times and I probably still won't get it right. But yeah, I'm like super nervous to talk in front of the camera. I don't know why, like it's just me in here. There's like nobody can hear me, nobody can see me. But that's just me, you guys. I'm like super jittery and I'm gonna be fidgeting and doing all this stuff. If you guys have any requests or if there's anything you'd like for me to film, let me know in the comments, you guys. I really am putting my all into this channel. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I hadn't done a tutorial in ages, so bear with me. And yeah, please subscribe, please like, please comment, all that jazz. You all know the drill. Also, let me know if this lighting is like hella bright because I was supposed to use only natural light and then it started raining. So, you know, that's great. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you all in the next one. Peace and love. All right, you guys, we're gonna get started with the tutorial. Today I'm using the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe palette. This is her original palette that came out a while back. I'm taking that color and applying it a little bit above the crease. I have hooded eyes, so I do this to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. And I'm just using a super fluffy brush. So I'm just pretty much applying it on top of the crease. So this part I actually forgot to press record. I'm taking that brown shadow with the same fluffy brush and applying it a little bit underneath where I just applied that orangey color. It's still like on the crease, but a little bit above it. Now we're taking that chocolatey brown, and I will be using a fluffy brush as well, a little bit more denser, and we're applying that right exactly on the crease. These are all, by the way, transition colors, just so that you have like a little good blend going on there. Now I'm just blending all those colors together. Like I said, these are just transition colors. We're gonna go in with a darker color in a little bit. So here, all I'm doing is going back and forth with those 3 colors, just making sure that everything is super well blended. Still using the same 2 brushes, by the way. One is a lot denser than the other one, but honestly, like any fluffy brushes that you guys have can work for this. So here, this is a little trick that I do. I'm applying this concealer like where I would normally apply my liner. And then what you're going to do is you're going to look up and see how it marks like the top of my lid there. So like I said, I have hooded eyes. So I do this so that it's just easier for me to cut out, to carve out the lid. That way my lid color can stand out a little bit more and my eyes look a little bit bigger. So here I just applied a little bit more concealer and as you can see, I'm just blending it out with a synthetic brush. Now I'm taking that Morphe palette. I think it's the M35. Guys, I don't know. I can't remember. I will put it down below. And I'm using that orangey goldy color. Honestly, this color was a lot more orange than I expected it to be. When I swatched it on my hand, it didn't look that orange. But anyways, it still worked. So now what I'm doing is just applying liner. That's about it. This is the e.l.f. liner. Next, I went in with that brown color and a pencil brush, and I'm applying it to the outer corner of the eye. So as you can see there, I'm kind of connecting it to the eyeliner. Just because, like I said, again, my eyes are hooded, and I do this so that I kind of know like where the placement goes. So at the tip of my liner, I just kind of drag it inwards. Next, I went in with a black color to make that outer corner look a little bit more defined and more dramatic. I also went in with another fluffy brush and blended out the very top shadows right under the brow. So now what I'm doing is I'm getting a wipe and cleaning up the under eye area and making sure that the edges of the eyeshadow look really sharp, like the lines look really sharp. This is actually a trick that I learned at MAC. So you take the wipe and then you put it at the edge of your nose and then drag it upwards towards the corner of your eye, the outer corner of your eye. And this will give you like that super sharp line without having to like do the tape thing. Now with a flat brush, we are taking that brown color and applying it to the lower lash line. So the next thing is to touch up on the inner corner highlight and the brow highlight, as well as the lid color, so they can look a little bit more vibrant now that everything else is pretty much set. So I went ahead and put my contacts in. As you can see, my baby boy is making a cameo in the back. Yeah, y'all, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next one. Peace and love.